Hey guys, welcome to my channel Harry Viral. Today I am here to show you how to create a direct link for your WhatsApp group. So let's get started. You can invite participants to a WhatsApp group only if you are the admin of the group. When you create an invitation link, you can share this link with anyone, and whoever clicks on that link will be able to join the WhatsApp group if they have a WhatsApp account. So let's get started here. First of all, open your WhatsApp, then select new chat, and then from the menu select new group. After that, once a group chat is open, so choose whom you want to add. So I am adding for now, so I will keep your test group and then done. Okay, let's get started. After you done have created your group, just click on this three dot and go to your group info. Just click here and scroll down. You will get your invite via link. Just click here, and now anyone with this app WhatsApp can follow this link to join this group. Only share it with people you trust. So you can get your QR code and share link or copy link or send link by WhatsApp or reset link. So in this way you can share the link, copy the link, or use the QR code to invite people to your group. So I will click this link and I can share to any platform, whichever I like. So in this way you can create a link for your WhatsApp group. So I hope this video helps you. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. Thank you.